Good evening to everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 4.4 of chapter number 4 practical geometry. So in the previous video we had already completed exercise 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. Now we are going to deal with the exercise 4.4. This one is the last exercise of chapter number 4 practical geometry. So what we have to do here, construct the quadrilateral DEAR where the measurement of the quadrilateral is given as DE is equals to 4 centimeter, EA is equals to 5 centimeter, AR is equals to 4.5 centimeter, angle E is equals to 60 degree, angle A is equals to 90 degree. Here in this, the measurements of the side as well as the measurement of the angle is given. Okay, so in the previous video I had already taught you how to draw 60 degree and 90 degree with the help of the rounder. Okay, so draw these two angles with the help of your rounder. After that, the quadrilateral you have to draw is quadrilateral TRUE. So what is the name of the quadrilateral is TRUE. TR is equals to 3.5 centimeter, RU is equals to 3 centimeter, UE is equals to 4 centimeter, angle R is equals to 75 degree, angle U is equals to 120 degree you have to draw. So this one is the questions. So have you understood up to here everyone? Now let's see how to construct. So for constructing the quadrilateral DEAR, what you have to do, first you have to draw one straight line, of measurement 4 centimeter, label it as DE. You have to draw a line segment DE of measurement 4 centimeter with the help of your scale and pencil. Clear? Then after taking any radius on the mouth of your rounder, okay, take any radius on the mouth of your rounder, keep the needle at point E, draw an arc so that we can draw 60 degree. Then with the same radius, keep the needle here, okay, draw another arc so that you will get one 60 degree angle. Suppose we are having a line segment DE as 4 centimeter, then taking any radius we will draw one arc. Okay, you know how to draw the 60 degree, in the same way you have to draw the 60 degree like this. So this angle is 60 degree which you have to draw using your rounder. Clear up to here? Then student, after drawing this, look the next part of the question. We had got the line EA. Clear? Here we had drawn 60 degree. Suppose this line we have drawn as 60 degree. This one is a angle DE, and here we had drawn using the rounder as 60 degree. Now talking about the 90 degree. How to draw 90 degree? For that, take any radius on the mouth of your rounder, suppose 2.5 centimeter or 3.5 centimeter or 3 centimeter. Keep the needle at point A, draw one arc. Okay, with the same radius, keep the needle here, draw one arc, and same radius again draw another arc so that you can get, keeping the needle here, you will get one more arc. Clear? You will get one intersection point. Remove your rounder, take the scale and draw one straight line so that it can pass us through the intersection point. So here you people got 60 degree and 90 degree with the help of the rounder. Clear? You people very well know how to draw 60 and 90 degree, isn't it? Now here somewhere you will get an intersection point R, where the line DR and AR will going to be meet. Clear? So here the measurement of AR will be 4.5 centimeter. So have you understood up to here everyone? So here you have to measure 5 centimeter, exactly 5 centimeter, take an dot A, and there you have to draw the 90 degree. Okay, so here the sides and the angles is being given. Clear up to here? Next question is about quadrilateral. So here you have to draw a quadrilateral whose the sides are TR is equals to 3.5 centimeter, RU is equals to 3 centimeter, UE is equals to 4 centimeter, and angle R is equals to 75 degree, where angle U is equals to 120 degree is given. Clear up to here? So these are the measurement which you have to draw. Now construct a quadrilateral TRUE with the above. So here we are having. So first of all, what we are going to do, our first step is drawing a line segment of measurement 3.5 centimeter with the help of your scale. So label it as a TR and measurement is 3.5 centimeter. Up to here, clear everyone? Then after, we have to construct angle 70 degree. All of you know how to construct 70 degree because in the previous video I had already told you how to construct a 70 degree. First we have 75 degree. First you have to construct the 60 degree by taking any radius on the mouth of your rounder. Suppose this one is a rounder, take any radius as 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, like that. Take any radius, keep the needle at point R, draw one arc and draw, keeping the needle here, draw the same arc and repeat it, so that you will get here 60 degree arc, isn't it? This one is a 60 degree, this one is a 90 degree arc somewhere. Then with the help of that, keeping the needle here, draw one arc, again keeping the needle one arc, you will get an intersection point like this. So that intersection point you will get R as 75 degree. Clear up to here? Then since after that, at angle U, you have to draw 120 degree. So as we know that for drawing the 120 degree, suppose drawing 60 degree, suppose drawing 60 degree, 60 plus 60 will be 120 degree, isn't it? So take the any radius, draw one arc, then again keeping the radius, this one is a 60 degree, this one is a 120 degree. So pass here, pass the line from here. Suppose this is an arc here, 60 degree you will get here 120 degree. So you have to pass the line like this. So in this way you have to draw the angle U as a 120 degree. Clear? Then take any radius 4 centimeter, keep the needle at point U, draw one arc at E. Then join TE and RU as well as UE. So these are the construction, how you have to draw it. Clear? So for the step of construction, what is being written? Draw a line segment RT is equals to 3.5 centimeter. Okay. Then construct an angle 75 degree at R and draw an arc of radius 3 centimeter with R as a center, which intersect at U. Okay. Then construct an angle of 120 degree using your rounder at U and produce the side UE. D. Draw an arc of radius 4 centimeter with U as center, then join UE and TE. Therefore, the required quadrilateral is TRU is a required quadrilateral. So in this way you have to draw the quadrilateral. So this one is the quadrilateral, student, you have to draw it. Clear everyone? So for